All right, so I'm testing the live stream. I had my bitrate set way too high, and what I'm trying to do is test a few things here today because I want to see what my frame rate droppage is as I'm doing this. And the first couple attempts had wicked frame rate dropping, so I lowered the bitrate, and now I'm at 0 frames dropped. So I'm hoping that I'll get a good video quality here. I've done some experimenting today, and I'm hoping that I can stream and record at the same time without very many issues. I've worked on the audio sync, and I'm hoping that the audio sync when I stream will be the same as testing locally, because I had the audio synced up pretty well. Got some big news coming up later on this week. There is going to be a guest on the show. I'm not going to give a whole lot of information just yet, but if you're in the Discord chat, you're already aware of it. So a couple of things while I'm showing you this. On the end of the last episode of the podcast, I had some hardware issues that seems to be cleared up after a firmware upgrade. But I didn't get to show you the Towsley storage building from the last episode. This is the building that I was looking for. It was originally built in 1924, and basically it has shops in the front, and underground there is a storage facility. This used to be a parking garage originally, and it was renovated into a storage facility. And basically you walk through the stores, and then on the back there's a elevator that's as wide as 2 cars, and you can take that underground to a pretty large underground storage facility. Kind of cool. So I am testing a couple of different things with OBS here. I want to make sure audio is syncing properly. I know it's going to be a little tricky. I'm using Linux. I'm using actually Pop! OS, which is Ubuntu based. I've always had trouble with webcams in Linux not being as smooth as, say, in Windows or Mac. But so I'm working on a few things. And while I'm at it, this is March 18th, which is 4 years of podcasting for me. I started on March 18th, 2016, and all those older episodes are available on YouTube. I'm going to talk about that at some point in time, probably on a future show, not the next episode, but just kind of an anniversary date, which is kind of fun. So I'm going to stop the live stream test here, and I'm going to see how it turned out, and I hope the audio is syncing. So I hope everybody's doing well, and stay tuned because there's a lot of fun things coming up shortly.